how to change phone number on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number associated with your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to change the phone number on our Facebook account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select the menu button in the bottom of the app. Once you get to the menu, select the gear in the top right to open up the settings. And then in the settings, select See More in Account Center. Once we're in Account Center, scroll down a little bit and select Personal Details, and then select Contact Info. Now, to change the phone number on our account, all we need to do is select Add New Contact at the bottom, and then select Add Mobile Number. Enter the new phone number you want to add to your Facebook account, then choose the accounts where you want this number to be added. Select Next. Once you do that, it'll send an SMS confirmation code to the new phone number. Simply type that in and then select Next at the bottom. Once you do that, you'll get a confirmation that your phone number has been added to your account and you can select Close. And if you want to remove the old phone number that was on your Facebook account, simply select that phone number in the list here and then select Delete Number. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.